Options for stopping people tagging on Facebook. So, if you want to stop people from tagging you on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you've opened your Facebook, go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon. Scroll down, go for the settings and privacy, and tap on settings. And under your settings, you can scroll down, and here you may have profile and tagging option. Tap on profile and tagging, and under that, here you will have tagging, right? So under tagging, who can see post you're tagged in on your profile? You need to simply choose only me, which I have already chosen. Tap on only me, and then go for the second option, which is when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it? So tap on that also, and then tap on only me. And here under reviewing, you will have review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. You need to simply toggle that on, and once you toggle that on, now if someone tags you, then you will be asked to review it. So once you've done these settings, you can go back and then you can remove your Facebook and again reload your Facebook, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can stop people from tagging you on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.